So here is my Echicraft Ruby number 2 kit. One problem the early Ruby suffered from was small cylinders, giving them mammoth-like running capabilities. This one has been fitted with the largest cylinders, although the photograph on the Echicraft UK website still shows the earlier cylinders fitted. Turning to the smoke box and the door, these have been lined with insulation. Again, earlier Rubies, you would have seen that the smoke box paint got burnt very easily, and oil stained as well, so hopefully that will improve things here. Another weakness on the original Rubies was the reverser control. The rod from the lever to the valve has a Z-bend in it, and this was known to flex. So under here, hopefully you can just see this, the Z-bend has actually got a plate on it to stop it flexing. The boiler has been modified. Originally these had a banjo bolt fitting for steam manifold, which then had the regulator housing and 2 blanking bolts, and this has been changed now to standard steam type turret with a regulator housing and a blanking plug on the right hand side for fitting a pressure gauge. You can see here I've fitted a good old valve, because I found during my running in sessions that the gas is currently outlasting the water in the boiler, so I am topping up the water during a run. Gas burner is fitted with a number 5 jet, and it's also got an air control ring here, as you can see. This is always the fun bit of an Echicraft Loca, lighting up the burner. As you can just hear, there's a safety valve starting to lift. This is only the 8th run it's had on blocks, so it's going to have quite a bit of water coming out before it warms up the cylinder. On the last run it actually put the burner out, so let's see what happens this time. So there we go, our result. The burner stayed lit this time. I've got it fitted with the train department replacement regulator, so it's got nice fine control on it. I set it up with a valve gear for outside admission, and in that case it's supposed to run better in reverse than it does in forward, although to be honest I haven't really seen any evidence of this whilst running it in blocks. On the last couple of runs I've been running it for 2.5 minutes in each direction. After 5 minutes I've then been putting in some water into the boiler, and the last run it ran for 19.5 minutes. One thing I've not managed to ascertain yet without a pressure gauge fitted is what the safety valve is set to. Can't find any instructions online for the Ruby 2. The Ruby 5 is 40 psi, but the boiler certificate that came with this kit says the boiler is certified for operating